Hey guys, what's up? It's Trevor with AC Realty. Hope you're doing well. I was going to walk you through our market update. Here's what happened in February. So let's go through this. All right, new listings on the market from this time last year, down about 3%. But as you can see, year to date, we're up 13%. So the listings are coming back on the market. The pending sales, I'm going to call that about flat. It's up a little bit, but the closed sales are down. So we have new inventory on the market, 13%. Pendings are up, but closed sales are about flat. Okay, so that might tell you a little something about what's going to happen in the future. Here's a big stat that we look at, days on market. Anytime you see days on market start going up, that means the market is tending to slow over that time last year. Just as far as where are we at right now, 46 days on market, that's a lot compared to where we were at. 2 years ago, we were at like 7 days on market, 5 days on market. Things were just going so quickly. Maybe that was more like 3 or 4 years ago. Median sales price, I'm going to call that flat. After low days on market, high rate of activity in the markets, we saw a lot of 10% year over year appreciation. This is probably what we call a market correction. Just that kind of slowdown, even with the lack of inventory. You know, we're not seeing huge gains in homes, and that's normal, by the way. We shouldn't see 10% year over year in something like homes. Okay, that's not keeping up with wages. If wages are doing this and homes are doing this, then you know there's going to be a correction. Percent of list price received, looks like they've kind of got that. The agents in the area have sort of got this figured out. Again, comparing it to when it was very crazy, it was really hard to know where to list homes. Inventory. So again, this is the amount of homes for sale. We have seen a dramatic increase. If you're a buyer, that means you have more options. If you're a seller, you're going to see more competition. So one of the big conversations that we're having with our sellers that bought in 2020 to 22 is you're not in the same market as when you bought, when you're trying to sell. So don't expect 20 offers, highest and best. I mean, we're seeing some of that, but really pricing is key. The buyer's market, as far as what they're willing to accept, has changed a lot. So expect to see buyers are going to want inspections. They are going to want some concessions, possibly loan cost provisions. We can talk about all that, but anytime I hear somebody ask, is it a good time to buy or not? It really just depends on the transaction, the neighborhood. It really doesn't matter, what market you're in. There's always good deals. There's always things could be done. Month supply of inventory, it's gone up. Anytime we talk about month supply of inventory, we're at 1.7 months. That means if there was no homes to come on the market, at the current rate of sales, it would take about 1.7 months to sell through that inventory. Okay, that's getting to be still seller's market, slow seller's market is what I would call that. So if you have any questions about the market, I can drill this down into your county, even your neighborhood. When we get into neighborhoods, we look for comps, but when we're looking at when we have enough data to look at the kind of the macroeconomics of it, we definitely want to do that at the large scale. We can do that at the county scale. But when you get into the neighborhood and you say month supply in this neighborhood, yes, we have those stats, but 1 or 2 homes could throw that way off. So I don't like to use those. Let me know if you need anything. Hope you guys are having a great March.